in the new sacristy in the Medici Chapels, where they're unveiling brand new illumination, a cleaning, and restoration of some of these famous sculptures. Renovations to the new sacristy in the Medici Chapels concluded after 2 years of work, shedding a literal new light on one of the premier examples of Renaissance sculpture and architecture in Florence, designed by famed genius Michelangelo Buonarroti. Considered a masterpiece of the Italian Renaissance, Michelangelo not only designed the sculptures and decorations within the space, but also the space itself, offering him the opportunity to explore the lighting techniques that would best highlight his work.
Today is the final day of a 2 years long project that saw a partnership between the Museo del Bargello and Lottomatica in creating first a proper cleaning and dusting of all the sculptures that are in the new sacristy, which is the masterpiece of Michelangelo's work in Florence. It was conceived in 1519, completed only partially until 1534, when Michelangelo left Florence and never came back.
Modified over the years, especially following the construction of the adjacent Cappella dei Principi in the 17th century, new technology and a skillful use of light has created a new lighting that evokes the conditions created by Michelangelo in his original designs.
Thanks to the new technology, new lighting with a LED system was specifically fabricated for this place. It has been put in areas that don't interfere with the architecture and the sculpture, which is so complicated, and gives a sense of the lighting effects as they were conceived at the beginning of the 16th century by the master himself.